WRSR, Owasso, Flint. The following program has been pre-recorded and is paid for by Discover Flint Township. The views expressed are those of Discover Flint Township and do not necessarily reflect the views of 103.9 The Fox or Krill Communications, Inc. Welcome to Discover Flint Township, a program showcasing our local community. Flint Township is ready for your next move. And now, your host, Flint Township Economic Enhancement Director, Tracy Tucker.
This is Discover Flint Township, brought to you by Flint Township Economic Development Authorities, HAP, Financial Plus Credit Union, and Shea Automotive Group. We're wide awake, and we hope you are too. This morning, we are speaking with Stacy and Mackenzie from Shea Automotive Group, and we have a couple of surprise guests later in the show. Hi, Stacy and Mackenzie.
Hi, Tracy. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. It's great to have you both back. It's been a couple weeks, but I hear you have a couple guests.
We do. You got that right. We'd like to welcome our guests today. We have twin sisters, Cindy Froreep and Shari Soja. I pronounced them right. That's right. All right, perfect.
Nailed it.
That's always the hardest part of the show, is making sure we have everybody's names proper.
Yes, and thank you for wearing your kitchen tune-up outfit so I can tell you guys apart. Yeah. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to. So thank you guys.
I wore my hair up on purpose.
Yeah. I love that.
That helps us out a little bit.
Yes.
Well, we'd like to thank you for being here. You know, as you're aware, Shea Automotive Group is a huge supporter in women and women in business. So, Cindy, can you tell us a little bit about your business, what you own, and what you do?
I own a company called Kitchen Tune-Up. It's I'm part of a franchise group that is 34 years old for the franchise group. We're just new to this area.
Okay.
So I've had it for about a year now in the area, and it's just exploding in business. We remodel kitchens. We also are doing some bathrooms now too, and everything from countertop to drawer slides to new cabinets, custom, and then just refreshes.
Perfect. So you may reface cabinets or go in with a whole new, brand new kitchen.
Yes.
I think you're working on a kitchen for one of our She and Shays, Ileana Bevins, are you not?
I am.
Okay,
I am.
good.
Full kitchen.
Full kitchen. There you go. Okay, great. Well, we love it. And where are you based out of?
I'm based out of Fenton.
Okay.
On Thompson Road. Actually, I share space with my sister.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, great.
And now you said you opened up a year ago?
Yes.
What a time to open up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you had any struggles, or how has it been?
It has been surprisingly busy. The only delay was with the state licensing, which was a little tough. I had to get my builder's license, which I did, but my test was actually canceled 3 times by the state. So that was a struggle, but we got right in, and it's been busy from day one. I think people decided if you're going to be stuck in your house
Right.
and cook for yourself, you're going to do it in a nice kitchen.
There you go.
And so we have not, we're doing record numbers.
That's fantastic.
Across the whole company.
Well, congratulations.
That's awesome. Yeah. And we love supporting local communities and local businesses in our community. So we love that.
Yes, thank you.
Well, Cindy, can you tell us how can people contact you if they want to have their kitchen renovation? Now, first, let me ask, if I just wanted a new countertop, will you do that?
Yes.
So if I just said, well, hey, I just want to add some cabinets, you'll do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Or totally got my kitchen and come in and do it from floor to ceiling?
All the above.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
We can do something for everybody's budget, from coming in. We'll even just recondition wood.
Okay.
If you have an old kitchen, but the footprint is great, everything is great, but it's just old, we'll come in and do a complete recondition just of the wood alone.
Wow.
And it's a 1-day process. We're in and out, and it looks like brand new. Now, it's still going to be a wood kitchen, but if maybe you're selling a house, that way if somebody walks into the house, if they're buying, they can say, well, it's not my dream kitchen, but it's in great shape.
Right. Yeah. Perfect.
It looks like new, so that's a quick and easy. And then we can also do a full tear out, full build up.
Perfect. I love it. I love it. We need a few little kitchens around here. So
Oh my gosh.
So on a commercial level as well,
Yes,
you'll do them.
absolutely.
All right, great. Well, why don't you let people know how they can contact you if by chance they need a countertop, kitchen, whatever it is that you offer.
So you can go to kitchentuneup.com, and you can also call locally 810-522-0480.
Okay.
And again, it's kitchentuneup.com, and there's a locator there so you can find where the Fenton location is.
Perfect. And do you offer design services and things like that?
Oh, yes.
Okay, great. So they can just come in and say, okay, tell me what you think I want, and then here's what my budget is, and we can work within that.
Free consultations.
Great.
I'll come in home even, and we talk a little bit beforehand. I'll bring samples with me, and then we can lay out a full design. And it's like Joanna Gaines design, where I can show you the 3D walkthrough and all
That's
of that.
exciting.
I can change the colors for you right while we're sitting there.
Oh, great. Okay, so high tech as well.
Oh, yeah.
That makes it easy.
I need to buy a house now so you can do my kitchen.
Yes,
And I will.
We're working on that. Yeah, we're getting
Yeah.
Kenzie set up. Big
One
house
day.
purchase is the next thing on her agenda.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now let's transition over to Shea Soja. Did I pronounce that right?
Yes.
Perfect. Shea, tell us a little bit about your business.
My husband and I have Soja's Auto Body Services in Fenton. It's a full service collision shop, insurance work, classic car remodels, restorations, anything you can think of for auto body for vehicles.
Wow.
Yeah, and Mackenzie, Shari already has a relationship here at Shea. So
You
from
do.
what I understand, you work with our parts department, correct?
Yes,
with
I do.
Kevin and Sean. And
Yes, I do.
That's wonderful. So see, we had a She and Shea right here and we didn't even know it. We're always happy to have our partnerships with local business owners. And now, Sherry, tell us a little bit about exactly what you do. I think you gave us a short rundown, but if you can get into a little more detail, and then, of course, tell us how people can contact you.
Sure. Like I said, we have a full service auto body shop. We can handle anything from a small ding or dent in a door to a complete restoration, a classic car build from the ground up. We have
Okay.
a classic car in there right now that we are replacing every panel on the vehicle. And it's
Okay.
a complete rebuild.
All right.
And the parts are coming in one at a time
All right.
from England.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so okay, great. So we can't even help you with those parts. You got to get them from out of the country,
Maybe she can help with my car, though.
right? Yeah, we won't talk about that.
We won't, but yeah. Now, I never had a sister. I actually grew up with 4 brothers. Can you guys just tell me what it's like having a twin? Do you guys ever pretend to be each other? Or what is it like?
We don't really pretend to be each other, but we get mistaken for the
Yeah.
other one a lot in the grocery store. We
Yeah.
go to the same grocery store and we live in the same town. And I will be at the grocery store, someone will say hi and approach me. I have no idea who it is. And then they get offended because I'm not carrying on a conversation with them.
Right.
And I'm just really good at the response of, I'm not Cindy.
There you go.
I'll
Now,
also say to strangers, I'm not Shari.
I'm not Shari and I'm not Cindy, but do you have to learn each other's businesses? Because you don't want to miss any business, right? You should each have like a small school of giving them that quick,
Yes.
1 second.
Referrals.
Quick referrals. There you go.
Quick referrals.
I love it.
I guess it works well that you guys work together too in the same space. So at least you can give out the address. So that helps.
I think Mackenzie was looking for a little gossip. Like, did one of you ever go out on a date and pose for the other person before you were married? So none of that fun stuff, huh?
Yes, actually, Cindy did introduce me to my husband. She set us up on a blind date, December 31st, 1999.
Oh,
Good.
what a year.
That's
what a
wonderful.
date.
Yeah.
What a date.
That's great. All right. Perfect.
And Mackenzie, we are twins, but we also have 5 brothers.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So you know what it's like.
Yes, we do. 5 brothers, so we're right in the middle.
Okay. At least you guys had each other.
Yes.
So that's fun.
Yes.
I just had 4 brothers and I was the baby too. So I got picked on a lot as a baby.
5.
We still pick on her a little.
Yeah.
And our brothers still pick on us, so.
It never ends.
No.
Never going to end.
Right.
Never
Are your
ever.
brothers all here locally as well?
No, they're all over. We have one in Grand Blanc,
Okay.
but the others are all over the country.
All right, good. Well, congratulations to both of you on your successful
Thank you.
businesses. And
Thank you.
we appreciate you joining us today. Tracy, do you have any questions?
Not really. I was going to comment for our listeners that Cindy has a deep connection to Flint Township. She was the marketing person for Genesee Valley Center for many years.
Wow.
She was a great community partner with us. She was the one behind having the concerts in the outdoor village. A lot of the events that we had there were me and her working together. And so we've worked together a lot over the years. And even her sister, Shari, would come out to our events and help out. She was actually, last time I had seen her, was at our Easter egg hunt.
Oh, wow. Genesee Valley. Okay.
So, yeah. Yeah, so I just wanted to thank you guys for coming in today, and it was nice seeing you again and seeing everybody healthy. And again in the area. So I know you had to leave for a while, so good to have you back.
Now, I heard you guys had some fun giveaways that you wanted to give to our listeners. Do you want to elaborate on that a little bit?
I do. For Kitchen Tune-Up, I can offer, if anybody wants to call, 810-522-0480 or go to kitchentuneup.com, reach out for an appointment. If we book something and you move forward, I will do free rollout trays in your lower cabinets.
Oh, perfect.
Which is a really good deal.
That is so cool.
We appreciate that. We love it when we can give something a little bit away to, the listeners out there. And I think we've kind of stayed on track with that, haven't we? We've given something away almost every show. Oh, good. Good. Well, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yes.
All right.
Do you guys have any more questions for Shari or Cindy? And if not, well, did you have any more questions for them?
No, I don't think so.
Did you guys have any last comments you wanted to make?
Thank you for having us.
Well, it was a pleasure. So Rusty had to remind me, because my mind wanders, that we need to get one last time from you guys contact information, and we'll start with Shari because Cindy just did that. So we're gonna give Shari some equal time here. Go ahead and give them contact information for your business, name of the business, all that.
Sure thing. Okay, you can contact us at Soja's Auto Body at gmail.com or call 810-285-4080 or visit our website, sojasautobodyservices.com.
Okay,
Perfect.
and that's SOJA, right?
SOJA.
Okay, perfect.
And you can reach Kitchen Tune-Up at kitchentuneup.com. There is a zip code locator, so it'll take you right to my contact information, and you can call 810-522-0480 or kitchentuneup.com.
Perfect. I love it.
All right, great. And it's been so great having you guys here. All these ladies, all the women that come to Flint Township, we like to focus on women's businesses as we can. Oh, and we had Rosie the Riveter.
We did. It was great.
To Bishop Airport now, and I wanted to congratulate you on that.
Thank you.
I saw Stacy at the dedication, and she did a great job.
Thank you.
And we're talking with Nino from Bishop Airport next week, so we'll probably talk a little bit more about that. But I did want to congratulate you because I had seen you on the live feed when they did the
thanks, Tracy.
the virtual unveiling.
Right. It was fun. It was pretty emotional. I mean, Amberlynn Taylor was there, and so you'd have this big speech. I had a big speech all about her, and then you get it halfway out, you get a little bit choked up, and it's so emotional for everyone that was there. We had a Rosie in the crowd, so it really worked out great.
Yeah, it was fantastic. And maybe next time when you're going to do a She and Shea show in March, so maybe we'll talk a little bit more about that then as well. Mackenzie.
Yes.
I haven't gotten to talk to you much today.
I know. Stacey's been doing a really good job. She's been doing it.
Usually we leave it to her.
Stacey's great. So any specials going on or anything like that?
Oh, we always have some fun specials at Shea. So for Chevy, you can actually drive off in a brand new Silverado for only $175 a month. Or if you're more interested in Buicks, you can get an all-new Buick Encore GX for only $79 a month. I know.
Wow.
Cindy's face right now is pretty, it's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so come to Shea, visit us online at SheaChevrolet.com or SheaBuickGMC.com, and our phone number is 810-732-7500.
Great. Are we giving anything away? We giving anything away today?
No, that was just a giveaway for Cindy.
Well, you might as well give something away. I mean, can we do an oil change or a tire rotation?
Let's give something away.
All right.
I love it. We're negotiating
They're
on
up
here.
at 7:30, Mackenzie.
That's true. It is early. Okay, so the 21st person to email me the number 2021 will win a free oil change and a service gift basket. Email me at mmiller@sheasavings.com. That's mmiller at SHEASAVINGS.com.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. And we and we want to remind everybody that if you have questions for them, for Stacy or Mackenzie or any of our guests that we have, or just something you would like to hear about on the show or comments on the show, you can send those to discoverflinttownship@gmail.com. Well, thanks everybody for coming in today.
All right, perfect.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Tracy.
Thank you.
Another great recording. Love it.
All right. You can find all of our shows on our YouTube channel, Discover Flint Township, or if you would like information on available properties or any other information about Flint Township, you can go to our web pages, discoverflinttownship.com or flinttownship.org. And I once again want to thank everyone for listening in today, and thanks to our guests, Stacy, Mackenzie, Cindy, Shari, Dion. Wow, we've had a ton of them today, but it's been fun. But thanks to our partners, HAP, Shea Automotive Group, and Financial Plus Credit Union, and 103.9. And welcome to our newest partner, Guaranteed Rate, Dion Oliver. And discover Flint Township with us next Sunday with special guests from Financial Plus Credit Union and Culver's. Oh, no, you know what? We did that last week. Next week will be Bishop Airport, and we will have Nino Sapone on. And so we're going to talk to him, and we're going to discuss some of the great things going on in Flint Township. I'll remind you again, you can find all of our shows on our YouTube channel, Discover Flint Township, or if you would like information on available properties or any other information about Flint Township, you can go to our web pages, discoverflinttownship.com or flinttownship.org. Discover Flint Township with us next Sunday, and where we'll have Nina Sapone from Bishop International Airport. That's at 7:30 a.m. on 103.9 The Fox. I'm Tracy Tucker, the Flint Township Economic Enhancement Director, and I'd like to remind everybody to stay safe, stay healthy, shop local, buy local, and discover Flint Township. See you later.
This has been Discover Flint Township with Tracy Tucker. For more information, visit discoverflinttownship.com. Flint Township is ready for your next move. The preceding program was pre-recorded and was paid for by Discover Flint Township. The views expressed are those of Discover Flint Township and do not necessarily reflect the views of 103.9 The Fox or Krill Communications, Inc.